from the car.
Georgia is a state.
Georgia didn't seem so different from any place else, but when we got out of the car and talked to people we couldn't understand them because of their
Southern
accents.
Okay, that speaking in different way.
Accents. They talked like their mouths were full of rubber bands. People stared at us when we went into the restaurants. What does this simile tell you? It suggests.
Okay, you read it. Okay, let's read the simile here.
Like other mouths were full of rubber bands.
Okay.
It suggests that the way people talk
sounded
unusual.
Okay.
Summit.
Yeah.
Summit.
Yeah. Okay. Let's read another one.
The
pilot. What does a pilot do? Fly. Yeah, fly airplane. The pilot
set his hands tightly.
Yeah, tightly, not tightly. Tightly. That's tightly. What's that? Tightly. His hands
lightly on the wheel, feet on the rubber.
Waddle. How's that? Oh, that's rudder. I think it controls the direction of the airplane. Rudder. Do you remember this one?
Pierce.
To make a whole thought.
Rudder.
Okay, this is a rudder, and an airplane, a boat has this rudder, so it can control the direction of the airplane. Yeah, the airplane has this rudder. Okay. So feet on the
rudder. Goes.
Yeah, a paddle. You see, your bicycle has a paddle. You put the feet on your paddle.
More machine gun and
extension. Okay. Extension. So yeah, this is extension. So you cannot kind of the power, so use this one to extend it, right? So that you can use the power. That's extension. What's that?
Rudder. Rudder. Rudder.
Okay, water.
Extension. 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 Extension.
Okay, can spell it.
Extension.
Okay. Okay, make the act make something longer. Okay.
The act of making something longer.
Okay. Extension.
Of the
Patient's
life.
Okay, patient's life. So
Extension.
So the patient can live longer.
Extension.
Okay, can spell it.
Extension.
Okay. Here. Okay.
And
He seemed more a machine than a man.
Extension of the plane.
Okay, it's like he grows from the airplane, right? He's part of the airplane, so he's an extension of the airplane.
On the
Dashboard. Okay, the car, the airplane has a dashboard, so you can see. Yeah, that's a dashboard, computer dashboard. Yeah. Yeah, airplane dashboard. You see, the airplane has so many meters to tell you how high you are, right? Other things. That's a dashboard. What's that? Extension.
Extension. Extension. Extension.
Making something longer.
Okay, extension. Dashboard.
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 Okay, they said that dashboard. Yeah, it's dashboard. Okay, on the
dashboard in front of him.
Brian.
But was saw the
dials. Okay. Dials. Yeah, the dials. Yeah, the dials. I think this one you can change it. What's that?
Dashboard.
Dashboard. Dashboard. Dashboard. Dial. Dial. Dial.
Okay, here's this one.
On a piece of
equipment
that you turn to
operate
something.
Okay, dial.
Dial. Dial.
Okay, spell. Yeah, dial. This dial, you can adjust it, right? As dials. Okay. On the dashboard in front of him, Brian saw the
switches, not meters.
Okay. Knobs. Okay, I don't know what's the difference between dial and knob. Yeah, this thing. What's that?
Dial. 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 Knob. Knob. Knob.
K can spell.
Knob.
Yeah, this is a knob. This is a knob. Levers. Oh, so many things. Yeah, this is lever. Maybe this one or this one or this one. Yeah. What's that?
Knob. 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 Lever. Lever. Lever.
Can spell. Okay. There's a lever. And so many new words. Lever. Oh, crank. I don't think we don't even use it. Yeah, things like this. Crank. I think it's an older airplane.
Lever. 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 Crank. Crank. Crank.
Take a spell. Yeah, that's a crank. 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 So on the dashboard in front of him, Brian saw the dials, switches, meters, knobs, levers, cranks. Wiggling, flickering. Oh. No. I think it means it changes. No. What's that? Crank.
Crank. Crank. Crank. Flicker. Flicker. Flicker.
Okay. I don't know. I think that the old one is better. Flick. Okay. Move irregularly or unsteadily. Okay. Shadows.
On the wall.
Yeah. It's the tree usually. The tree. We see the tree's shadow flicked on the wall.
Flicker. Flicker. Flicker.
So the move. Okay. Can spell. So when he's look at the wiggling is like a move, right? So the bride saw these things wiggling and flickering. Indicating
nothing that he
understood.
And the pilot seemed the same way.
Okay, so where's the speech, the figure of speech? Read it, yeah?
It suggests that the pilot appears to be an
Expert.
It suggests that the pilot also built the plane. It suggests that the pilot flies without a key.
Yeah.
The
Oh, good,
vessel
good, good.
summit
Okay, good. Good. Yeah, I'll stop here.